Assalamualaikum. Welcome to TeenyCoders. This is global online coding school for kids from grade 1 to 12. And firstly, student have to come to the courses and where student can choose any of the course we are offering, like Roblox, machine learning, website development, and Python programming, etc. And after that, he can register his herself by clicking on this one, and it is very easy process for the student to enroll themselves. After that, once the student is enrolled in any course, then he is able to see their upcoming classes, today classes summary, and he is also able to see their score system, point scoring system. As you can see here in the right side of the dashboard, we are offering the leaderboard where he can see that out of the many students where he is standing right now, he is also able to see their notices sending by the our institution. He is also able to see the course details and points, because our system is point based system, so we have also mentioned the summary of the points, how he will get the points after every class, like after completion of the class, after completion of the trial class, project submission, quiz submission, after due date. So based on these summaries, he can be able to see their progress as well, and he can also submit their projects uh, as well as quizzes. And in the end of the course, he can easily access their certificates by clicking on this one. Like this is a certificate after the trial class. So we are also offering the free links, important links, where he can send us the different requests like leave request, cancel request, change curriculum, teacher request. So this is all about the overview about the LMS that we are offering for the students. Thank you.